This is another part of the abstract series. We got a lot of things to cover. I got some alpha also for you along the video for some experience points. As you can see, we still don't have a new flash badge. I got the feeling we get a new one next week. I told you this in one of the last videos. I got the feeling that this will be the proof of play or Pirate Nation Arcade, and I explained you how to play the first game for free in one of the last videos. I'm gonna link it up here. But now let's dive right in. So a bit late this week, again, I got almost 7,000 experience points, same as the last weeks, as you can see here, roughly. Actually, I did a bit more. I would have thought that playing the proof of play arcade would have given me more experience points. It did not. Maybe it will over time, but let's see. Let's not waste any time. Let's dive right in. Lots of updates to cover and ways to earn experience points. Even some already confirmed by the team officially. First of all, there's now an official Abstract Telegram announcement channel. You can join this through this link. As always, all the links are down in the description. Be careful, don't fall for any scammers. Always go through the official channels. But as I said, I will put all the links that I show in this video down in the description as well. So we got a Telegram announcement channel now from Abstract. Make sure to join this. I did to get the newest announcements, but nothing really exciting in there so far, at least. All right, now let's talk about the first experience points hack. Clean water isn't everywhere. That's the reality for millions. Let's fix it and make a difference. Our Team Water mint is now live. 100% of our mint proceeds will go to Team Water to fund clean water infrastructure. With love from OpenSea and our partners Mint Now. So Team Water, if we click on it, the biggest creator-led clean water campaign ever, 40 million. This is run by Mr. Beast, Mark Rober, and more. So this one will be huge. Gotta follow. Still, this one is super exciting for several reasons. So first of all, you're doing something good, which should be enough for itself. But also on top of that, you get experience points on Abstract. As you can see here, Cigar from the Abstract team posted, minters will receive an experience points care package from us. So they basically confirmed that there will be experience points for everyone minting this on OpenSea. This is how it looks. Mint Team Water, as I said, always go through the official channels. You can mint up to 10,000. I'm not someone that has the money to mint 10,000 per wallet, but it makes sense to go through your AGW, connect to OpenSea, and then mint this. I will definitely mint one of those. It is open until August 11th, so make sure to mint until then. That's roughly with ETH now finally getting over 4K, as you can see here. ETH just reclaimed $4,000 during Abstract August, and yeah, it's roughly $5.55 right now. And the thing is, you're not only minting this on Abstract, but you're also going through OpenSea. So probably this will be also good for the OpenSea airdrop. I got videos on OpenSea. I will link one of those up here. So make sure to check those out. To summarize this one, you're doing something good. You're getting Abstract experience points for this, and you're getting C exposure for the OpenSea airdrop. So basically it's a win-win-win. But as always, no financial advice, up to you if you do this. We talked about this one. Now let's talk about the bridge. Cigar, again, wrote a friendly reminder that we built our own bridge to make it stupid easy to bridge into Abstract in just a couple clicks. Go check it out if you haven't already. Link below. If you go to the Abstract portal, it's super easy. Go to my wallet, then go to a fund, then click on bridge, and then you're getting redirected to bridge.abs.xyz. And there you can select the chain that you're coming from. For example, if you want to bridge some Pengu from Solana, you can choose this. Your AGW is already in here. You then need to connect your Solana wallet, and then you can bridge. And this is actually a aggregator, as Cigar wrote in the comments. So you get kind of the best route. There's also other ways. I explained this in the complete abstract onboarding guide, which I will link you up here, where I show you different bridges such as Stargate, for example, which most of the time has the best deals. So always compare this one here, but with the official one, it might be good for the airdrop down the line, or might give you some experience points if you go through the official one. But again, that's completely up to you which route you want to go. And then the World Series of Abstract, I talked about this in my last video. There was 313 players that were able to play in this, that got a ticket. I was one of those. I failed. I only placed 228th. As you can see here, there was someone that hit a full house on the last 2 cards after we both went all in. I had a flush and I lost. That's the game. There's been a lot of rewards. I covered this in my last video. Go check it out if you haven't. Stats on that World Series of Abstract. There's 772,000 low cards airdropped. You needed those to get the energy for playing the games. There was over 61,000 games that were played and 55,000 players activated. Not sure. This is probably not single players, but we don't know. But stats are looking good. Sugartown have the cores on Abstract and the auras on the ETH mainnet. Disclaimer, I own one of both. Disclaimer now announced. This is proof of play. I told you about this in one of the last videos of the Abstract series. They already had 250,000 in just the first 4 days of operation, so credits being used. Huge success. Fun from the team posted that this was their goal. I think for the first month, they got this in the first 4 days, so super successful. It's super fun. I explained this in one of the last videos. Go check it out if you haven't. And then last but not least, if you're playing GigaVerse, then there's one important thing. You won't get any experience points unless you get those abstract stubs. And you get those by going here to this little guy, click on browse deals, and then you can here purchase something for ETH. But also if you click on ETH, then you can go through the weekly deals if you have something out of those, and the daily deals. For example, I could trade some of those here and get 50 stubs, but also juice noobs get 4 times the stubs from deals. I'm currently not juiced, so I'm not doing any of the deals, but I will do this down the line. Currently, I find it a bit expensive, to be honest, to spend on this game, so this is why I'm not juiced and I'm not spending any of this. But if you're playing this a lot, it makes sense to get juiced probably, and then get experience points for that, because the more stubs you have, the higher the abstract experience points allocation. So if you've been wondering, hey, I played GigaVerse basically every day, but you didn't get any stubs until now, then this is the reason why. One other thing, if you go down here, you can click on this box right here and get free stuff. So always make sure to go down here once a week, click here, get this. And also if you click on this button here on the right, then you get rewards for upvoting GigaVerse. So always make this once a week. There's always also a reward here. You can change this for stubs then as well. Yes, and apart from that, there's the fishing here. Again, juice noobs get way more stubs and perks in the game. So some alpha here. And yeah, it's already a long video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out the other parts of the Abstract series. I got quite a few videos on InfoFi lately, on Kaito, on wall chain and all the other InfoFi tools. So make sure to check those out. And then thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.